Draw a line segment of length 7.6 cm and divide it in the ratio 5:8. Measure the two parts. Firstly, let me draw a line of length 7.6 cm. And let this be A and this point be B point. And let me draw a line which forms an acute angle with the given line already drawn line AB. And let me divide it into 13 points. How come this 13 means? We should divide the line AB in the ratio 5:8. So let me add up. 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. So let me divide this line AX in the ratio into 13 equal parts. So how to draw this? How to divide it means, let me take the compass and divide it into 13 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. While drawing the arcs, you should not alter the length of this pointer and the pen, whereas in your case you will be using the pencil. The length of this two should not be altered at any cost. And then afterwards, let me name the points here. Here this one is called as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12, A13. And then we have to join A13 with the B. We should join these 2 points. And then afterwards, we should take our compass and we should draw an arc from A3. Next, you should draw an arc from A5, as it is here 5. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. A5, you should draw an arc. And then afterwards, you should adjust this one to this point of contact of this arc with the line, and then you should draw a arc. And the same arc has to be drawn here from this point. From this point. Next, we have to join A5 and the point here, the point of intersection of the two arcs, A5 and the point of intersection of these two arcs. So we will join these two and we will name this point as B dash, and we will measure the length of A, B dash and B dash B. Here A, B dash is equal to and B dash B is equal to. Let us measure and calculate the length of these two. A B dash is equal to 2.9. B dash B is equal to 3, 4.7. 4.7. Let us verify this one with the simple calculation. This portion is 5 parts of the total length. So the total length of the line is 7.6 centimeter from this point to this point. 7.6 centimeter. 7.6 centimeter into how many parts means B dash. AB dash is equal to 7.6 into 5, and the total length is, total parts is 13. After simple calculation, you will be getting 2.9 centimeter. And here also B dash B is equal to 7.6 into 8 parts divided by 13, we will get 4.67, which is nearly equal to 4.7 centimeter. From this calculation and from the measurement what we have done here, we will can come to the conclusion that the construction is accurate. Next, we move on to the next problem. Construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Let us first construct a triangle of sides 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Let us take the bigger side. So before that, let me draw a straight line. And then mark a point as A. And then let me take the compass and adjust it to 6 centimeter. Adjust it to 6 centimeters. Adjust it to 6 centimeter and cut the arc above the line. And this point is B. And this will be equal to 6 centimeter. 6 centimeter. And then let me cut another one arc of length 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. From B, I am drawing a 4 centimeter line, and then afterwards here another one is there 5 centimeter. If not, you can take from this point and you can adjust it to the 5 centimeter. Yes, it is there, correct. Exactly, it is 5 centimeter. And then you can draw a, and now let us join all the points. While drawing this one, draw it correctly. Let this point be C. This is 3 centimeter and this one is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Now let me draw a line, acute angle with AB, which forms an acute angle with the AB. And let this be X. This point is called as X. And then let us cut this into 3 equal parts. Let me cut this line into 3 equal parts, taking any measurement. So I will cut it into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, and then the next one is 3. It's sufficient. 3 is sufficient here. So I will be naming it as this as A1, A2 and A3. While cutting the line AX, we should note down the ratio what is being given here. If the denominator is bigger number, then we should divide it into that many parts. Here 3 is there, so I am dividing this line into 3 equal parts. If the numerator is big or greater than the denominator, you should cut into such a number. But whereas here the denominator is more, so I am cutting into 3 equal parts. And then afterwards we should join A3 to A3 is the bigger one, so we should join it into B. You should join it into B. Join it into B. And then once again we should take our compass and our, as we did in the previous problem, we should cut an arc from A3, keeping the same measurement. We should draw another arc as it is being mentioned 2. So we should begin with 2. We should cut another one arc in such a manner as we drawn in A3. And then afterwards we should take the compass and the pen and adjust it to the length, the point here, to the point of intersection of the line and the arc what we drawn from the A3. The length should be adjusted. The length has to be adjusted. It should be very careful while adjusting this one, so that the slightly, if we make a small mistake, means definitely our problem continues. Yeah, we got it. We should draw a arc here, cutting the first arc, and then afterwards we should draw the line from A2 to the arc here to the line AB, to the line AB. And this is called as B dash. B dash. Now let us continue with the same procedure as we did in A3 and A2. Firstly, what we should do means, keeping at B, we will cut an arc. We will cut an arc. Likewise, from B dash also we should cut an arc. I am cutting here an arc as I did it in B, and then afterwards Keeping at the point, the newly got point here, we should adjust it to the point here. Yes, it's correct. You should cut an arc here. Likewise, keeping at the new point, the point of intersection of the arc with AB, keeping at B dash, what you have got from that point, you should draw an arc. Yeah, be careful. And then afterwards, what you should do is nothing but joining the B dash and the point of intersection of the two R's. B dash, the point B dash is here. The point B dash and the point of intersection of the 2 points, this point. And draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. And this point is called as C dash. The required triangle is ready now. The required triangle is A, B dash, C dash, which is having the sides of 3 by 2 is to 3. 2 by 3. Sorry, 2 by 3 is the actual is the sides. Actually, as it is 3 centimeter here, this side will be about 2 centimeter. And this side A, B dash will be, it is 6. So it is 3 times, means it will be 4 centimeter here. Likewise, this also will be lesser. You can verify this by measuring the sides of the obtained triangle. Construct a triangle with sides 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. And then another triangle whose sides are 7 by 5 of the corresponding sides of the first triangle. Here, the triangle what we get, the second triangle, is bigger, as the numerator is bigger than the denominator. So we will be getting the bigger triangle. And first of all, let us construct a triangle of side 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Firstly, let me draw a line. Draw a line. Simply a line. Let me mark a point here and call it as A. And then afterwards, I should take my compass and I should adjust it to this. We should take this longest side, that is 7 centimeter is the longest side. So I am taking it as 7 centimeter. And I will be measuring it as 7 centimeter. You can check it off here. 7 centimeter I am taking. And then afterwards I should cut an arc of on this line, which measures 7 centimeter. And I will be naming it as B. And this measures 7 centimeter. And then afterwards I will be taking 6 centimeter. I will be taking here 6 centimeter. From 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 centimeter is here, very close. Yes, it is the 6 centimeter. And I will be cutting an arc from A, which measures 6 centimeter. The arc is ready. And then afterwards, I will be taking the 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter is also asked. 5 centimeter is there. Here I have adjusted it to 5 centimeter. And from B, I will be drawing from B 5 centimeter. Now I will be joining these points, this point of intersection with A and B. A is here, B, this point is C, we can call it a C, and I will be drawing a bigger line. And here I will be joining the B and this point of intersection of the two arcs. This point, let it be C, and this is 6 centimeter, and this line is 5 centimeter. Now let me draw a line which forms an acute angle with BA, and let me name it as X. Let this be AX. BAX should be an acute angle. And let me divide this line into, the numerator shows 7. So I will be dividing it to 7 equal parts. I will be dividing it into 7 equal parts with the help of the compass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I will be naming it as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7. And the next step is, now we have to join A5 with B. A5 with B. Why we should take A5? Because the denominator is 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 has to be chosen. And then 7 has to be chosen here. 7. Before that, we have to cut a arc from 5. Cut a arc from 5 such that from A5 we should cut a arc. Likewise, we should cut an arc from A7. A7 too we should cut a arc. You see here we are cutting a arc from A5. With the same length we are cutting an arc from A6. And then afterwards we should take the same compass and a pen and we should adjust the point of intersection of the line A5B with the arc what has been constructed from A5 to intersect from that point. We should take that distance from here to here we should take, and then afterwards we should take from here the point. Please be careful. We should cut an arc here. I have cut an arc here also. We should mark a arc so that it will be good. Yes. Likewise here also we have drawn an arc, and then afterwards we should draw a line from A7 to the line here through the point of intersection of the two arcs. From the point of intersection of the two arcs to the line AB, and let me name this point as B dash. And then once again we should draw a arc from B with some distance, And once again we should draw an arc from B dash, and then afterwards also, as we did here, the same procedure from this point of intersection of the line with the arc, we should adjust this pencil to the point of intersection of the line and the arc and draw as arc, small arc, and then lift the pen compass and keep it at B. Not no, it is not B actually. From the point of intersection of the arc, what has been drawn from B dash, fortunately or unfortunately it has joined with B. It may not in all the cases join with B. Be careful in this point also. Here also it may join the coincide with this point may coincide with A6 or A5. Likewise it may happen. In many cases it may not happen, so be careful in that point. And we should draw an arc, and we got a point of intersection of the two arcs, and then we should draw a line passing through this point from B to the yes we are drawing here, and this point is called as C dash. The required triangle is A B dash C dash. A B dash C dash is the required triangle. Required triangle. We have completed this construction. Now, students, to check the correctness of this, we can verify a simple verification for in the point of view of the examination is you can check the angle here B dash and the angle B, both should be equal. In few cases it may slightly vary, but it will be nearly equal. Then only you can confirm that what you have done is correct. And even the simple thing is these two lines will be parallel to each other. From the eyesight only we can make a hurry correction by seeing these two lines, whether these two lines are parallel or not. If we check like this means also we will come here there is one line is there in the scale. Yes, in the scale also one line is there. You see here this line and this line will be parallel, so yes, it is correct. This line and this line is parallel to each other, so we can come. It's not it's only for our confirmation what I am speaking here, that these two are correct, these two is right. Okay, now here also we can in few cases few teachers may teach to measure here the angle. First we will measure this angle and next we will measure the angle of this one and mark a point here and draw and simply make marks here. That is also possible to score marks. These are the things to, but actually it is not the procedure, but few times the student may do all these things to score marks, to get a good marks. That's all.